on the 3-2 pitch. And a line drive base hit into left field. Stubbs coming around third. He'll be waved home. He will score, and the Indians are on the board as Mike Aviles delivers on a 2-out 3-2 pitch, bringing home Drew Stubbs. Aviles with his 21st run batted in on the year. The Indians are on the board. It's a 2-1 Kansas City lead.
And well done by Mike Aviles. This is our McDonald's. I'm loving it. He caught a breaking ball, that slider, his go-to pitch today, and it was up enough where Mike kept his hands back, gets it into left field. You have speed at second base, no throw to the plate. The Indians are on the board.